Hello everyone and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. Today I purchased a new gaming monitor and we're going to be installing LED strip lights on the backside. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. If you find this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Today I'm going to be installing the Govee RGB LED strip lights. Here's just a quick look at the specs for the Govee RGB LED strip lights. These lights come in a roll and they are 16.4 feet long. These lights come pre-wired with a built-in controller. Starting from the left, we have our music mode / brightness adjustment button. Our middle function is our color button, and on the right we have our on and off button. These lights are controlled via remote control, and you also have the option of using the built-in controller. Here is an overlook of what we have so far. So here we have our LED strip. As you can see, we follow the wire along and we have our built-in controller. This piece here is a sensor, and over here is where we're going to plug in our power adapter. Here is our power adapter, and our input voltage is 100 to 240 volts AC. And our output voltage is 12 volts DC, and we run on 1.5 amps. Now that we have a basic overview on these lights, let's begin by prepping the back of our computer monitor and installing these lights. Before mounting our lights, we're going to prep the surface by cleaning it with an alcohol prep pad provided with the kit. For the back of our built-in controller, we have a 3M adhesive at the back, so just peel back the lining and stick it on. Here's a look at the back of my LED strip, and the same principle here. We have a 3M adhesive in the back, just peel back the lining and stick it on. Here's a look at my previous screen, and as you can see, we have our built-in controller here, and all I did was run my LED lights going across the entire monitor, and we're going to follow the same principles for our new one. We're just going to peel back the lining and stick this on. From here, we're going to peel back the lining on our LED strip and stick it on. As far as the corners, we're just gonna actually just bend these lights something just like this. From here, we could just press this down and create a nice corner. From here, we can peel back the lining and continue this process along the TV. As you can see, these lights are super flexible and you have a lot of room if you need play. We have now made our way around the entire monitor, and as you can see, we have an excess of lights, and from here what we can do is actually cut these down with a pair of scissors. Every few inches or so, we're going to notice this label right here, and as you can see, those are our 4 conductors, and that is where we're going to cut our lights right down the middle. We have now made our way completely across. Everything looks super neat. From here, we can plug in our power supply and test them out. Alright everyone, everything is now in place and it's the moment of truth. Whoa! That looks absolutely fantastic. That alone already transformed the room. We have our basic colors, RGBW. R is for red. That looks great. G is for green, and that looks awesome. B is for blue, and W is for white. If we go back to our blue setting, we also have the option of changing the brightness. We can dim it down and light it up. Here's a look of what it looks like in the dark. We also have a music function. I will not play any music because of any copyright strikes. And we also have different modes. So let's check it out. Okay, as we can see, it slowly changes colors. Here's our next function, and we can slow this down or speed it up. And this goes for any of these functions. A bunch of changing colors. We can speed that up. As you can see, it looks absolutely insane. And we're going to slow that down. Let's have a look at what this looks like with something playing in the background. I think this looks absolutely fantastic. This really transformed the room. I am very pleased. Whoa. I'm definitely loving this. Personally, this is my favorite setting, how each color slowly merges into each other. And I think it looks great. This really transformed my room, absolutely. This definitely enhanced my room, and I would recommend this to anybody. This is great for gaming, just doing light tasks on your computer, or just to have it in the background of your room when you invite guests over, or really anything. Great for parties. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.